Hey guys, look, I just left my surgeon's office for my supposed to be my 6 week follow up, but it's been 9 weeks as of today. And the reason it's 9 weeks is because he was on vacation. So, after leaving there with good news that I am doing great, I am progressing as I should be. My husband stopped me over here by the home goods store. Now, you guys, it has been 9 weeks since these feet, these hand, these hands and this body has been inside of any store of any kind. 9 weeks. So I am so very happy. Now, it appears that this store is very well stocked. So if you are looking for any fall decor, now is the time to step over to your local home goods store. It is about to be on.
Oh, where have I been? Stupid silence. You've been standing right there all along. Even though it's been unspoken so long, I'm only waiting for you, just waiting for you to give it enough. You know I'm begging for you, just waiting for you to show me your love. Cause I wanna be certain we don't have to be lonely, we don't have to be hurting. Cause I'm feeling like you and I are perfect. I don't wanna be sorry. I don't wanna think every night about how we've been so blind. So upset, I'm waiting till it's too late. No rest for lovers who are undetermined. I just wanna be certain. I don't wanna waste all our time wondering if we're right. I've been waiting for a sign. Wanna make you part of mine. I've been waiting for a sign. I don't want you going away. I've been waiting for a sign. Wanna make you part of mine. I've been waiting for a sign. Don't you feel the same? You want it for us, even though you don't wanna say it. Say it. You've been saying it softly, with no words. You whisper with your eyes. I'm waiting for you, just waiting for you to give it enough. Give it enough. Give it enough. Give it enough. No, I'm begging for you, just waiting for you to show me your love. Show me your love, baby. Show me your love. 'Cause I wanna be certain we don't have to be lonely. We don't have to be hurting. 'Cause I'm feeling like you and I are perfect. I don't wanna be sorry. I don't wanna think every night about how we've been so blind. So upset, I'm waiting till it's too late. No rest for lovers who are undetermined. I just wanna be certain. I don't wanna waste all our time wondering if we're right. I've been waiting for a sign. Wanna make you part of mine. I've been waiting for a sign. I don't want you going away. I've been waiting for a sign. Wanna make you part of mine. I've been waiting for a sign. Don't you feel the same? Don't you feel the same? 'Cause I wanna be certain we don't have to be lonely. We don't have to be hurting. 'Cause I'm feeling like you and I are perfect. I don't wanna be sorry. I don't wanna think every night about how we've been so blind. So say I'm waiting till it's too late. No rest for lovers who are undetermined. I just wanna be certain. I don't wanna waste all our time wondering if we're right. I've been waiting for a sign. Wanna make you part of mine. I've been waiting for a sign. I don't want you going away. I've been waiting for a sign. Wanna make you part of mine. I've been waiting for a sign. Don't you feel the same? Don't you? Don't you? Yeah. Oh, where have I been? Stupid silence. You've been standing right there all along, even though it's been unspoken so long. I'm only waiting for you, just waiting for you to give it enough. Give it enough. Give it enough. Give it enough. You know I'm begging for you, just waiting for you to show me your love. Show me your love. Show me your love. 'Cause I wanna be certain we don't have to be lonely. We don't have to be hurting. 'Cause I'm feeling like you and I are perfect. I don't wanna be sorry. I don't wanna think every night about how we've been so blind. So upset, I'm waiting till it's too late. No rest for lovers who are undetermined. I just wanna be certain. I don't wanna waste all our time wondering if we're right. I've been waiting for a sign. Wanna make you part of mine. I've been waiting for a sign. I don't want you going away. I've been waiting for a sign. Wanna make you part of mine. I've been waiting for a sign. Don't you feel the same? You want it for us, even though you don't wanna say it. Say it. You've been saying it softly, with no words. You whisper with your eyes. I'm waiting for you, just waiting for you to give it enough. sign, wanna make you part of mine. I've been waiting for a sign. Don't you feel the same? Don't you feel the same? Cause I wanna be certain we don't need to be lonely, we don't have to be hurting. Cause I'm feeling like you and I are perfect. I don't wanna be sorry, I don't wanna think every night about how we've been so blind. Some say I'm waiting till it's too late. No rest for lovers who are undetermined. I just wanna be certain, I don't wanna waste all our time wondering if we're right. I'm waiting for a sign, wanna make you part of mine. I've been waiting for a sign, I don't want you going away. I've been waiting for a sign, wanna make you part of mine. I've been waiting for a sign. Don't you feel the same? Don't you? Don't you? Yeah. Oh, where have I been? Stupid silence. You've been standing right there all along. Even though it's been unspoken so long, I'm only waiting for you, just waiting for you to give it enough. You know I'm begging for you, just waiting for you to show me your love. Cause I wanna be certain we don't have to be lonely, we don't have to be hurting. Cause I'm feeling like you and I are perfect. I don't wanna be sorry, I don't wanna think every night about how we've been so blind. Some say I'm waiting till it's too late. No rest for lovers who are undetermined. I just wanna be certain, I don't wanna waste all our time wondering if we're right. I've been waiting for a sign, wanna make you part of mine. I've been waiting for a sign, I don't want you going away. I've been waiting for a sign, wanna make you part of mine. I've been waiting for a sign. Don't you feel the same? You want it for us, even though you don't wanna say it. I've been saying it softly, with no words. You whisper with your eyes. I'm waiting for you, just waiting for you to give it enough. You know I'm begging for you, just waiting for you to show me your love, baby. Cause I wanna be certain we don't have to be lonely, we don't have to be hurting. Cause I'm feeling like you and I are perfect. I don't wanna be sorry, I don't wanna think every night about how we've been so blind. Some say I'm waiting till it's too late. No rest for lovers who are
Hey guys, I hope you've enjoyed all the goodies that I've shared with you today. Don't forget to go check out your local home goods store. This has been a while since I have seen a store stocked with so many goodies and goodness. I will be bringing a haul to you soon, or I may just share with you where I purchased when I decorate, but it's going to be a minute until I can actually lift things. So if I can lift and share, I will do that first. If not, then I will share as I decorate when and where. And again, I have no idea when that will be, but I wanted you guys to see what was out and what was available. Now, if you're new to my channel, I welcome you again, and I thank you so much for stopping by. To become a part of my family, hit the red subscribe button, tap the notification bell twice so you don't miss out on any of my up and coming videos. And for those of you that continue to show love and support, I thank you, I thank you, I thank you. Be blessed and take care.